There are many examples for parallel resistance circuit in real life, like the street light. The street lights are all connected in parallel. Suppose if one street light is damaged, but still all the other street lights will keep working. You all must be familiar with the appliances such as water heater rods and hair dryers. How do you think they function? For example, the iron box. In iron box, the electric current is converted into heat. There are direct applications of the heating effect. Flowing current can be produced. When an electric current flows through an electric conductor, the resistance of the conductor causes the conductor to be heated. As discussed in the previous sessions, the work done, that is W, to move a charge Q across a potential difference V is equal to VQ, whereas W is equal to VQ. W is the work done, V is the voltage and Q is the charge. Hence, to keep this charge moving from time t, the power input should be W by T. Therefore, power P is equal to VQ by T. This means power P equals to VI since I is equal to Q by T. P is the power, V is the voltage, I is the current and T is the time.